Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover the topic of common mistakes we make in English. And the best way to start is with examples. Today morning I woke up late. That is incorrect. We often hear people saying today morning I woke up late. No, that's not correct. The correct way to say it is this morning. Never tomorrow, it's this morning. This morning, I woke up late. Then there's another common mistake we make. I've been here since 2 hours. That is incorrect. It might sound correct, but it is totally incorrect, I'm sorry to say. It's not like I have been here since 2 hours. It's the correct way of saying is I have been here for 2 hours. This is because for is used with durations. Example, for 2 hours. This is a duration. Whereas since is used with a specific point in time. Like since 8 a.m. When we say that, that is since. When you're talking about a duration, it's for. I've been here for 2 hours. Let's go to another example of mistakes we make. Did you lose your cell phone? Is that correct? Did you lose your cell phone? No. There is a mistake here about the pronunciation. It's not did you lose, it's did you lose your cell phone. The common mistake which many of us make is to mix up between the spellings of lose and loose. You see, when you're talking about loose, L-O-O-S-E, that means not tight. It's not very tight, it's loose. The pronunciation sounds with an S, an extended O with an S, loose. But when we lose something, like in this example, did you lose your cell phone? Now notice the pronunciation is different. Lose. L-O-S-E. The spelling is also different. It's L-O-S-E. It's not L-O-O-S-E. But you still pronounce it with an extended O, like lose, with a Z sound. Lose. Lose means to misplace something, whereas loose means not tight. Something is loose. My clothes are loose for me because I have lost my weight. The spelling is different, the pronunciation is different, and the meanings are different. I met you 2 years before. It's incorrect English. You can't use before by itself. It has to be against something. Like I graduated before 2022. You see? So in this example, when you say I met you 2 years before would be incorrect because there's nothing coming after that. It's I met you 2 years ago. That's what you're going to say, right? Okay, let's move to another example. My friend is married with a doctor. Normally we don't think about it when we are talking this way. We say he's married with somebody, he's married with a doctor, he's married with a cousin or something. No, that's incorrect. It's always incorrect. You always say, my friend is married to a doctor. Married to is correct because we use to for anything to do with attachment. Example, joined to, attached to, bonded to, engaged to, right? So, the correct option would be, my friend is married to a doctor.